Hello everyone. Citing or adding the references for your research article is one of the time consuming process. Some do it manually, but it will be more accurate, but it takes so much time and also it tests your patience. Some do it using reference manager like EndNote, Mendeley, Zotero, etc. In this video, I'm going to show how to format an article for a particular journal format in minutes using Zotero. So for that, first you need to download the Zotero. Just go to the Zotero website and then just download it. You can find like this, like one for Windows and another one for the Chrome connector. If you're using any other browsers, so there are options for that also available. Since I'm using Chrome and many of us using commonly Chrome these days, so I'm just going to show how to use with the Chrome. So just download it. Once you download it, you will find something like this. You will find an yeah, a plugin like this. And then once you install the Chrome connector, you can find the connector here. So it shows that save to Zotero like this. Okay, so now what? So now take the article of your interest or the one which you are writing right now. I'm showing one article. One of it. This is a published article of mine, and then I'll show you how to I add the references in this so quickly and easily. So when you write the introduction or your material methods, so you know where to add your references. So I just highlighted the points where I need to add the references. Okay, so I used from various. I refer these points from several published articles. So like go there. For example, this is my first reference. So what I have to do is just go to the page of the original article. Either if you have the full article, it's fine, or even if you have just only the abstract, it's fine. So go to the page, then go to the Sotera, the plugin, and then just click this, and it will prompt you to save. Where now you can choose the library or the path, the folder of your where do you want to save. Just click it and make sure that it's showing like this. Then go to the other references if you have any to add. So just click here and wait for a minute. Yeah, this article has a full article, so it's a full text PDF. And this one is also having just only abstract. So just click here and then, yeah. Yeah, full text PDF is available. It's fine. Oh, see, it's not available, but it's a snapshot is available for the abstract. That's enough. Okay. Now go back to the your article. And now here, this is the point where I need to add my reference, right? Just click here, then go to the Zotero. The Microsoft plugin will be automatically installed when you do this, and then go to the add or sorry, add or edit citation, and then once you click here, it will prompt you the journal format which you want to cite. So, for example, now I want to go for a Journal of Biological Chemistry. Just click it. Now it's ready for Journal of Biological Chemistry. Okay, so you will get like this. So it says like my first article is about regulation and cellular. Either you can type that based on your uh, this thing. Sorry. Yeah. So here you can type this article title like a regulation. Only if you start writing, you will get this one. Then just enter and then enter, and then it will be automatically added there. Now go to the second one and choose the place where you want to add it. For example, here I want to add two references. So what you have to do, again the same thing, go to Zotero and then add or edit citation here, and then go to the journal site, then again go here, fine. Now this is the article. It says role of, sorry, role for the, yeah, this one. And one more article is ubiquitin mediator, something like that, right? Ubiquitin mediator, this one. So just enter. That's it. Now go back to the your article page. Now you can see here it shows 2 and 3. So now this article is added. Like this, you can add as many. Then finally, once you are done all these things, or in between also you can do, just go to the reference and click somewhere here, and then use this option called add or edit bibliography. That's it. So now it will add all the references here in a minute. That's it. Okay, so now it's done. But being as a researcher, we all might have faced rejection from the journals, and submitting it to a new journal with a new formatting is again a pain, right? So then, how in that case, how you can do it by changing the references? That's so easy again. Now, what you have to do just to select um, the your article which has the references. Then what you have to do, just go to the document preferences and change the journal. Like for example, you want to submit it to the like some ACS journal. So just click it and then click OK. So now it's more change it to the ACS. This thing. Okay. So yeah. So now we changed this format so easily. Okay. So that's how it works. I hope it's useful for you. Comment your feedback and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.